Hey, buddy. Can you walk? Can you walk towards me? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's so good.
1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. You looking at the camera? Andrew's so mobile, we had to put up a barrier in the hallway. Okay, wrong way, buddy. He gets a little stuck on the kitchen. Okay. I will help you.